mighty trucks roll out for a big construction day by the river. Rumble, rumble, the trucks race side by side, leaving a sandy storm behind. Watch out, the red dump truck rolls along the riverbank, full of heavy rocks. Oh no, the red dump truck slips, splash, into the river it goes. Splash, splash, the mighty dump truck crosses the stream with a load of dirt. Whir, whir, the cement mixer spins its drum under the sunny sky. Kersplash, the green mixer takes a surprise dive into the lake. Whoa-ho, this is messier than a cement spill. Crunch, the bulldozer flattens the ground like a pancake. Swoosh! The bulldozer splashes mud everywhere. What a messy mission! Red, green, and yellow. 3 buddies racing to the job site. Hold tight. Rescue Truck Turbo is on a dusty mission. Splash, splash! The blue rescue truck pulls his buddy out of the water. Phew! The rescue truck hauls the muddy mixer back to dry land. The bulldozer's stuck in the mud again. Together, we can build anything.
Three little trucks go rolling by on sunny roads so bright. Oh, red dump truck, yellow dozer, green mixer too. Oh wow, they roll along and sing their song. La 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 la.
The red truck goes splash, splash,